Hi, my name is Clarence Kilcrease. I'm an enterprise account executive with UPS. I've been employed with the company for 17 years, and I'm about to show you how to process a library shipment through our web-based platform, CampusShip. First step I'm about to show you is how to begin processing a shipment, and that will involve using your current courier codes that you use. And it will be as simple as just entering that code. For instance, the code ATH. As you see in this sample scenario, UGA's Athens campus address is showing here at South Jackson Street. So from there, we will go to our next step. As you see on the next screen, step 3, it's populated what we're going to actually ship from the original documentation of the code that we used. So you'll see the number of packages, and then we'll see the packaging type. The weight has been populated, and then along with that, the package dimensions. In this case, it's 14 inches by 11 inches by 6 inches. And then as we scroll down further, we'll see the package declared value of $100. And it asks a last question of, does this package include batteries? In this case, no. Now I have proceeded to the next page, which shows a review of shipment details. And in this case, we'll see the ship to address of UGA Athens campus, the ship from address here in Atlanta, and then the return address back to the Atlanta location if necessary. The next section, we will review the weight of the package of 4 pounds, and the dimensions, along with the declared value. And there's also a cost center code that would be included for your review. From there, I see that we're checking that ground service is being used, and it's giving a delivery date of the next day. From there, we want to hit Ship Now, and from there, we will create a label. Ship Now. We have the label with all of the pertinent address information, ship from address, ship to address, cost center code here at the bottom for reconciliation purposes. And now we would place the label on the package. Now I'll take the contents and place them in the bag. And I'll take the label with all the pertinent information, including the cost center code, place it in the window. Now that we have the contents in the bag, I'll actually take the zip tie after zipping and proceed to tie for security purposes, and we're done. Thank you for listening today. The whole process only took about 60 seconds. Have a great day, and remember, choose UPS.